when your legs, eyes, nose, knees, brains, earlobes, fingers, elbows, toes, knees, pancreas don't work like they used to before. I am sick. Yes. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome to another Thursday. I am sorry if I don't sound very like that right now because I am whatever, a little bit unwell, a little bit, but that doesn't stop me from looking amazing. So what else? Moving on. You guys have read the title of the video already, so you pretty much know what it's going to be about because it's really simple. If you don't, you really need help. A lot of you guys have been suggesting me to make a types of aunties video. I don't remember the names though, but I read a lot of comments saying so I thought, you know what, let's do it, okay? And what better time to do it than this week, because this is like the Women's Day week, and no better way of telling aunties how much we love them. So yeah, let's go. You cannot start a types of aunties video with anything other than number one, which is gossip auntie. From who had what in lunch to who just bought 100 crore property. These are exactly the kind of aunties who are your society newsletters. They know everything. You know, these aunties think it's really okay to open the door of their house every time a lift comes to their floor, to just walk into the balcony and check out which car entered the society premises, or just, you know, casually follow you everywhere you go. Completely normal behavior. Sheila's son always wears pink and his jeans are also very tight. Arey, matlab, you understand? No, he might be, you know na. Auntie number 2 is the fashionista auntie. This auntie is in a 4-long relationship with her lipstick. Doesn't matter if she's going to an A-list party or if she's just going to get eggs and bread. She's going to be made up head to toe for both of them. You know what? Maybe sometimes she's not made up, but you won't know because you won't recognize her. Auntie number 3 is villain auntie. Okay, all kids officially, I know it's a very strong word, but all kids officially hate her. These are exactly the kind of aunties who hate everything about kids around them. फिर से कान तोड़ा तुम, अभी बॉल नहीं मिलेगा, जाओ. फिर से हमारा बिल्ली को मारा, अभी नहीं देगा हम बॉल, जाओ. हम पापड़ सूखने को रखा था बाहर, उस पे बॉल डाला, नहीं देगा बॉल, जाओ. कल सब्जी मंडी से लाया हुआ कद्दू सड़ा हुआ निकला, नहीं देगा बॉल, जाओ. मेरी बेटी वॉचमैन के साथ भाग गई, नहीं देगा बॉल, जाओ. Okay, that was unnecessary. Number 4 is the friend auntie. Now these are my favorite kind of aunties, like second favorite, actually the first favorite. Oh, they're number 8. Anywho, these are the kind of aunties who are more of your buddies, which are usually like newly married couples, you know, people who are looking for other people to bitch about their in-laws and stuff like that. And you kind of connect with them because they're so cool. They take you shopping, you hang out with them at their house, like you kind of cook and stuff together, you kind of go out for dinners and stuff. It's cool and they pay for everything you do, so that's even amazing. Number 5 are the fighter aunties. You know how sometimes you don't like something about someone and you know, show it to them? Yeah, these people live their lives like that. You'll always find them in a heated argument or, you know, even kind of just like, why are you looking at me? You never see woman in life before or what? Eh, your father's car or what? Leaning like that on car, dent will come no? Eh, watchman, पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? पी गया क्या सब नीचे बैठ के? Number 6 are the Klingon aunties. Oh my god, you do not want to be in the same elevator with them for like more than 3 floors. They're gonna start speaking and they're not gonna stop doing that ever in their lives. You know when you kind of dig your nose and then you can't get rid of the booger off your hand? They are the booger. I hope you get the idea. That was the best example I could think of since I have a factory going on right here, right now. Arey wah, ready to go? Where? Office? No? College? No? Friend's house? What with friends? Picture? Shopping? I'm also going that side only. Chalo, let's go together. No? Which side you're going? Acha, then I will go from that side only and I will drop you. No? Arey, no, I like your dress. Where did you get it from? How much rupees? Very cheap, no? Very cheap. I'm counting the number of brain cells that just died in my brain. Auntie number 7 are the show off auntie. Need I say more about them? I mean, need I? Sheila, hi. अरे चलो ना कभी घर पे चाय के लिए आओ. I've got a new tennis set all the way from London. मेरी सोनिया के स्कूल में बोला है कि उनको ना iPads पे पढ़ाई करनी है. So I thought I'll buy a couple of extra iPads. You know ना kids these days. गिरा दिया, मम्मा टूट गया. What can we do no? Oh, I only buy my stuff from Manish Malhotra. अरे quality भी तो कुछ होता है ना? Yeah, okay, alright, amazing. Okay, so what? No, my favorite kind of aunties are auntie number 8, the food wali aunties. Oh, God bless them. These are the aunties who are always cooking. They love their kitchen. They're always cooking new stuff. They're cooking everything that their family ever taught them to cook. They're cooking their grandma's favorite dish. And you always need guinea pigs to kind of, you know, send these things to. I volunteer! There should be a criteria in every housing society. Every floor should have at least one food auntie, you know, just for the sake of being there. Butter chicken, rajma, chow mein, pasta, sandwich, salad. Yes! Number 9 are the fake young aunties. You know exactly what I'm talking about. These aunties are not young because hello, they're aunties. Hi, we would like to invite you for our 10th wedding anniversary. Me and Vijay are celebrating. We're having a grand party. Didn't your son just turn 12? अरे तुम ये सब जो करते हो ना, I have also done a lot of this like in my teenage, like I don't know what 3-4 years ago. Until 3-4 years ago I was to do all of this. Aren't you 43? And now finally number 10 are the nightmares, the matchmaker aunties. Why do you do that? Stop doing it. You know, these aunties are always gonna come around with you and, hi, what age are you? You cook? There is this boy from... No! Stop talking to me right now. Turn away. Start walking. No. You know, there are other things that you guys could take up as hobbies in your life. Like, I don't know, keeping quiet, sleeping, eating so you don't have to speak much, sewing your hands to your lips. I swear to God, next time that happens, I am getting my kung fu on you. Alright, so that was types of aunties that you will definitely meet sometime or the other in your lifetime because they're not going anywhere. Anywho, coming to FanFest, I'm gonna be on the red carpet. I'm gonna be performing on stage this year, which is amazing. A lot of you guys have been asking me for passes and tickets and all of that. Trust me, I am trying my best so I can get passes for you guys because I want you to be there. Come on, I don't want to do this alone. So give me some time. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. Trust me, I'm trying. Make sure you follow me on all my social media so you do not miss out on anything, okay? For now, this video ends here. I'm gonna see you again on Tuesday and hopefully I won't be so... If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every Tuesday and every Thursday. Until we meet again, love. Don't look at me, otherwise I will remove your eyes and play marbles with it. What?